Here we go. Say hi. There's Mommy, and wonderful Yvonne suggested we make these, so let's go. Here are some of our cinnamon rolls. I've already done a couple, and I washed my hands before this, don't worry. Being very safe. So I'm gonna just go ahead, and you can use a tiny waffle maker or a big waffle maker. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down here. I'm gonna let it sizzle. You can also put 4 of them together and make a big waffle in a bigger waffle maker. And I'm making little small ones. And I can see it in there. So I'll come back to you. So here it is, it's ready. And I'm going to take a knife. I'm not touching it, but I had to set it up. So I'm not touching it at all. There we go. Put on the icing. Okay, Yvonne's gonna try it.
That's as good as the ones in the mall.